My hair is not working with me today, but we'll be just fine. Hi, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Last week we were trying to ignore the existence of this thing right here, and today is still here. So this week we are going to try to accept that it's part of life. I used to love Asian makeup, specifically Korean beauty products, makeup, skincare, you name it. I had them all. I'm just kind of like, okay, I'm getting a little overwhelmed with a lot of American products, and all the releases are just going crazy and I can't keep up with them. So I wanted to give Korean beauty products another try. Asian beauty products have the reputation of being first very natural, very easy to use, user friendly, very flattering on Asian skin tone. The price is right, the packaging is usually on point. While I was trying to figure out what is the best website these days to get the beauty products from Asia all the way here safely so I can try it out for you guys, Stylevana reached out to me on my email. I'm not kidding. They said, hey, if you're interested, we'll just send you a full face worth of Korean beauty products so you can test out for your viewers, and we'll also give you a discount code so your viewers can use them if they want to. And I was like, okay, this is meant to be. This is perfect timing. Let's do it. We set them out. You'll receive them shortly. 2 days later, they're already here. Everything was packaged beautifully into this cardboard box. There's bubble wrap inside and there's another wrapping outside with FedEx. So your products are going to be secured, safe. I'm so ready to put them on and test them out with you guys. And at the end of this video, we are going to see if Korean beauty product lives up with the hype that they have. Let's go. Please, again, ignore my hair. It's gonna get it. I thank you so much, Stylevana, for sending me all these products, and I'm so excited. Of course, my review is going to be 100% honest. I have a light layer of skincare on, and you can see I have nothing else on my face. So we are ready for the base makeup. When it comes to Asian beauty products, we usually do a little bit of a base, not primer, but a skincare topper, if you will. And the point is usually to give the skin a little bit of a glow and a beautiful smooth appearance and prep the skin and add some more moisture so that whatever goes on top of it will be light and doesn't look cakey and look natural and beautiful and youthful. That's kind of the point of Asian beauty. And this I have here is the Hamish Artless Glow Base with SPF of 50 and PA+++. UV protection, brightening, and anti-wrinkle. Dermatologist tested. The Glow Base gives a luxurious, glossy, bright, and natural radiance effect as a soft and finely shining pearliness formula. So just use your finger, apply a small amount all over your face. Use alone for a healthy glow. Comes out white. Let's see how it does. It's almost like a thick serum. It does have a scent. It's a very nice floral, clean, fresh scent, and it definitely leaves a glow. And I can't believe it has sunscreen because there's absolutely no white cast. Woo! My skin is pretty glowy already, as you can see, but I do want to test out this product. It's not extremely glowy. It's very nice. It's like a nice serum. Hello, glowy skin. What's good? Let me close this. There's a lot of things laying in front of me. And now we have the Moonshot Micro Glassy Fit Cushion in the shade 301. It has SPF 50 plus and PA plus 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 plus. And again, with the packaging, you can see they are really simple, beautiful, classy feeling. This is a cushion foundation and it's supposed to be a glowy finish. As you can see, it has droplet applicator into the area where you usually cannot reach, like the corner of the eye. And then there it is. Moonshot just arrived. Remove sticker before use. It's so cute. doesn't really have a strong smell to it at all. Like this is snap shut and you can bring it with you for touch up. And the sponge is reusable, so you can just clean it out and then use it again and again and again. Let's try on the shade to see if it matches because I'm a little scared. I'm just gonna tap a little bit because I do not want a lot of coverage. Oh my god, this has some nice coverage and it's not crazy dewy like I thought it would be. That's half of my face done. Kind of smooth everything out and make everything look a little bit more even and of course brighten. That's the full face of the foundation, the cushion foundation, and I have to say I am very happy with it. The color is a little bit light, but we can use the bronzer to fix it up a little bit later. I have been hearing so much about Moonshot cushion foundation and I'm so glad I finally get to try it. It's been popular for like 7 or 8 years now and I never got the chance to try it. Although it doesn't cover up everything, you can see there's still a little redness on my nose and out here, but that's what the next product is for. This is the Merzi, the first creamy concealer in the shade CL1. I never tried this brand before, so let's see here. Oh, I think that might be a little too light for me. Yeah, that's really light. And I'm just gonna use the same sponge and the cushion. Let's see how much coverage this has. Oh, it doesn't have a crazy amount of coverage. It's just kind of brightened, which is great. Okay, I was scared for a second there. Okay, very happy with that. Use a little bit of this bronzer to just warm up the face a tiny bit. There we go. See, I told you everything will be fine. Next thing we're gonna do is very exciting. This is a blush. This is the Periphera Pure Blush Sunshine Cheek in the shade number 2 Milk Tea Coral. And they also sent me a brush from McQueen, New York, blush brush. Isn't this a beautiful shade? We're just gonna double this on as a blush and an eyeshadow as well, just to do a very natural look. It says in here, it's okay, you already shine. Isn't that such a cute message? I assume it's not going to be crazy pigmented because it's not an American product. And let's do a little bit of a sun-kissed look. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I have no idea how to hold a blush brush, you guys. Very nicely blushed. I think that's enough. The next thing I'm going to do is to grab a blending brush and dip into the same beautiful coral soft blush. Very subtly. I forgot time. I was having way too much fun with the blush. I really like this color. It's the perfect shade for me. I thought it was going to be too light, but it does show up and it's very cute. Oh my gosh, where have you been in my life? Beautiful. The brush kind of too small for my huge face, but if you have a smaller face than mine, this would work best for you. And also, I think maybe this would be better for like a contour rather than a blush, I feel like, for my taste. Moving right along, McQueen, New York again. This is a waterproof pencil gel liner in the shade number 7, like a lighter brown with a shimmer. So I'm just gonna keep it very natural, just on the inner and the outer corner of my upper lash line. And keep in mind, you do have to sharpen this pencil by yourself. Very creamy, immediately easy to use, and look how beautifully natural it is. I'm just gonna do an Asian style here, and I'm not gonna flick up the liner. I'm gonna pull it outward. Just follow my natural line of the eye, and there we go. Beautiful. Let me show you the shade on my hand here. So it's a very nice, almost like a mocha kind of color. It's not really dark, and it does have a slight sheen, very lightly, not crazy metallic or anything. Makes this so natural looking and such easy to use. We have this long lash curling mascara. This is cute. Dark brown. Looks like the brand is Corinco, I think. Lengthening and curling. I love that. I don't have a brown mascara. I think it's gonna look very natural, yes. So this eye has the mascara, this eye doesn't. It's very natural. You can't really see anything. It's like so subtle, but the shape of this brush, it has this curve which makes it so easy to use on my lower lash line. I have never had an easy experience with my lower lashes on this eye before because of how you hold it. This is the only mascara one that makes it easy. Beautiful, beautiful, so natural. If you're not into super natural mascara, you probably won't like these, but I'm into it, I'm telling you. Moving on to McQueen New York again. This is my strong auto eyebrow pencil, gray brown. It has like a longer shape, which is unique, and it has a spoolie on the other side. So let me work my brows off camera because it's gonna take an hour. It's so soft. Can you just feel my face slowly coming to life, literally? Pencil was surprisingly easy to use. It's like the perfect shade for my brow. Follow my natural brow shape. That's all I did. This hair is driving me crazy. This is a mystery blurring tint from Mimi Box, and it's in the shade Mysterious Persimmon. It's supposed to be their best seller shade. Really, really intense, by the way. And let's see if it can be blended out to create that beautiful blotted lip that, oh my gosh, look at that. That is stunning and so appropriate for this season. Into that brush, doe foot applicator, by the way. Beautiful. And then I'm gonna work it into my lip. It has like a scent to it, but I can't figure out what it was. Oh my god, I got it on my nose. And maybe it's a little too much. Kind of like a moussey texture, like the Rare Beauty and the new NARS blurring lip cloud kind of a formula, but it has a little bit less of that moussey texture and a little bit more of a traditional lipstick. So it's a unique texture, and you can see it's blended out matte, and it just looks so beautiful with everything else going on. Final thing I want to do is I'm gonna add a little bit more of this glow base on top of everything as a highlighter for my cheekbones and top of my nose and all of that. Yeah, look at this. You can use this basically as a highlighter, a glowy highlighter, like the Mario Master Secret Glow or the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. There we go. This is the finished look, everyone. What do we think? I think I'm in love. I love how you can still see my skin, so it's definitely not a heavy coverage at all. You can still see my imperfections coming through, but that's what's real about it. Glassy and translucent and brightening. I kid you not, I was trying to wash my hands off from all the swatches, and I was rubbing it with soap like crazy, and afterwards, look, the eyeliner is still here to play. This just blew my mind. Glitter and all is still here. Let me see. My favorite thing is probably the base, which is so multi-use. It's a sunscreen, it's a glowy base, and it can be a glowy highlighter as well. I really like the cushion for how easy it is to use and how blendable it is. I like the mascara for the wand, so beautiful underneath. I really like this eyeliner. I like the color of it. I like how long lasting it is, how easy, how smooth and creamy it is. The lip tint as well. So easy to blend, and it just looks so flattering. Everything else I like, but these are the loves, and I cannot wait to try more. I need to try an eyeshadow palette or two. Thank you so much, Stylevana, to reach out and send me all these goodies. They also give me and you guys a discount code. So if you use the code INF10 Queen right now, you can get 10% off of your entire order and more discounts if you buy more products. So all the information will be in the description box. Just check them out, and I will also put the list of everything I used today on my face down there with links, so it's easy for you to click and find them. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, this journey with me to rediscover my love with Korean makeup, Korean beauty products, and I have a lot of plans for the future. I am going to review Korean skincare next, and with the eyeshadow palette, of course, I told you, and more. There are so many other brands in Korea and in Asia in general that makes beauty products. Trust me, it's another world out there. So let me know if you are interested, and let's join the journey. Let's do it together, okay? Okay. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, click that bell notification button so you will never miss out on my future weekly uploads. I will let you go. I hope you have a wonderful day. Until next time, please let this mirror shine into your soul. Okay? Don't flop.